Hello and welcome you all in this video tutorial. Dear student, this video is for class 9 chapter number 10 MS Word part 3rd. As you know, we have already discussed about this chapter in chapter number 8, that is MS Word 2010 part 1st. The basic detail, basic interface of MS Word, features, each and everything we had discussed. Next we discuss about the formatting in MS Word, and I told you total 3 types of formattings are there: character formatting, page formatting, paragraph formatting, and we have seen practically how to apply these all formatting in our Word document. Now in this chapter we are going to understood about how to insert graphics in MS Word, how to apply images, how to insert clip art, how to insert tables, how to insert shape, how to write mathematical equations. So these all things we are going to understand, we are going to see in this chapter. So let me start. Let me see what is the first point given in your book. The first point is inserting graphics in MS Word. So dear student, as you know, to inserting graphics or images, what step you need to file? First of all, you need to decide you want that particular image to use from your computer or online. So suppose here I am going to tell you how to use an existing image that already stored in your computer. So the steps already given here. Let us see practically. For this I need to open MS Word. So as you know, for opening MS Word you need to type shortcut command, or from start button all program also you can open. Now to insert image, what you need to do is you need to click on insert tab. Inside that you may find the picture option. As you click on picture option, it will ask you from where you want to insert the image. So I want to insert the image. That image is already saved in my computer. I am going to choose that particular picture from the stored location wherever it was stored in my computer. So I go to that particular location, and from there I am selecting that particular image. Suppose here my image is stored. So I click on that image and click on insert. As I click on insert, image is going to be inserted on the page. Now in this page, if you want to apply some image style, so for this what you need to do is, if you click on this format tab, so you are getting so many picture style. Apart from this, change picture, reset picture, color, these all options are also available. You need, if you want to change the picture border, picture effect, picture layout, position, wrap, so these all options available inside format tab. And here some picture styles already given, like here so many styles are there. Whatever style you want, just click on that style, it automatically apply on the screen. So it depend to you which one you want. So as you click, it was appear like that in that particular selected picture style. If you want to change the border color, so from here you can select any color. Immediately as you select, the picture border color is going to be changed. Picture effect, picture layout, position means where you want to keep this picture. Suppose I want this position, so as you select, it was just adjusted. Next, one more option there is there, word wrap text. You want this particular image in line with text, square, tight, thought, top and bottom, behind text and in front of the text. So as you click on, suppose I selected this in front of the text, so in front of the text this image is appear, and now you can move this image anywhere on the page. And suppose you are having some text here, suppose it appear in front of the text. Just see, as you place the image, the text is going to be shifted in behind the image. Why? Because you have selected in front of the text, so that is why it was like this. So you are having so many options. Whatever option you want, just use that option. Next thing, so these all steps given here you can use, and you have seen practically also. Now next, here one more step is there. If you want to use that particular image multiple times, so for this we are having copy and paste option. Or suppose you want to use some part of that particular image, so what you need to do, you need to crop that particular image. So for this you need to click on, as a step given here, insert image from graphic program, move cursor and select the area and press Ctrl C. Let us see. Suppose if you want to crop this particular image, for this you need to use option like first let me tell you the step. It was written here. In graphic program windows such as MS Paint, and selected area of image can be copied. So what you need to do is, do one thing, just copy this image, open Paint, MS Paint, go there and paste that particular image. Now suppose you want only this much area, so what you need to do, just try use that crop tool and paste it like this, Ctrl C, and again go to MS Word, delete this image, Ctrl V. That selected area, that cropped area is going to be pasted. So like this also you can crop your image as you want. Next thing that we have is how to insert clip art in your document. So now currently in my system Windows Office 2013 is there, and here we are having one option, that is online picture, and we are not having clip art option here. Why? Because online picture is sufficient for that. So you can use online pictures in place of that clip art. Word art is also here, word art आप use कर सकते हैं, smart art also there, so you can use these all options. Next, inserting images from scanner. From scanner also you can scan your image and use as you want. Working with shape, how to insert shape in your Word document. So for inserting shape, what you need to do is open MS Word, and suppose you want to insert any shape. So for this you need to click on insert tab, click on shapes. As you click, so many shapes are available here. Whatever shape you want, just click on that particular shape and it will appear like this. And if you want to change the shape fill color, so you can change from here, shape fill, shape outline, shape effect also you can change. So likewise you can do whatever you want with that particular shape. If you want to increase the size, so from this arrow you can increase the size also. Suppose you want this triangle, so you can use this also. Suppose that you want this circle, so you can use this also. Okay, and you can change the background color also like this. And suppose if you want to insert any text inside this, so right click on that particular shape, add text. As you click on add text, the cursor is appear inside the shape. Now you can write also. So like this you can use shape also, and the same steps is given here. Next is bullet and numbering. What do you understand by bullet and numbering? If you want to display your document in the form of list, so for this you need to use what? Bullet. So bullet, how to use? Suppose you are having some lines of text, like suppose this is your first line, this is your second line, this is your third line, this one is your fourth line, and you want to organize it in the form of bullets. You want one symbols for each and every lines. So for this what you need to do is, you need to select this, you need to click on home tab. Inside this, inside paragraph tab, you may find these are bullet option. In place of bullet, if you want to use any customized image, suppose one image is here, so you can use that particular image as a bullet also. Apart from this, some predefined bullets are there, you can use that option also. Okay, Next thing, after selecting this bullet option, that bullet is going to be appear. Next thing, this one to about bullet. If you want to use any number, so you can use number also, like you want 1 2 3 or 1 after bracket, like this format, Roman digit, ABCD, capital, small, each and everything options you are having. As you select, your list is converted according to that sequence ABCD. Now I am selecting. Now next, as I press enter, automatically my list is moving forward. So like this, your list is like this. So you can use list also. And if you want to use a list like this, suppose you are having a list, inside that if you are having sub list, so we are having option. Suppose this is my main list. For this I need to use, suppose first I am going here and selecting a list like this. Suppose inside this, suppose here you want to add some more. So what I need to do is A, after this suppose I want B, this also created as list. So likewise you can create sub list also, list inside list. So this is about how to use bullets and numbering. The same step we have followed earlier. Next, to use symbol as a bullet. How to use any symbol as a bullet? In place of that symbol, you may use images also. If you want to use any symbol as a bullet, what you need to do is you need to define a bullet, and from here symbol or picture you need to select. Suppose here I want to use this particular symbol, this particular arrow, this one I want to use. Click on OK button. OK. Now my list is created like this. You can use images also the same way. Suppose in place of this I want to use image, picture, offline, and select any picture. Suppose this one, insert. So as you click on OK button, it was created like that. Now we are going to discuss about working with tables. How to add a table, how to insert rows and columns, how to customize your table, how to create, how to use, how to define layout, how to change the border, how to insert number of rows and number of columns, and along with this I told you how to calculate a tables. So let us start. For inserting table, what I need to do is Control A, delete. Now for inserting table, you need to click on insert tab. As you click on insert tab, table drop down is there. Click on this. Now here some boxes are there. These boxes are telling you, as you select, it was creating number of rows. That selected boxes define number of rows and number of columns. So like this you can use this layout also, or if you want to insert table manually, so from here you can use this dialog box also. From here you need to manually write the number of columns. Suppose I want number of columns 3, number of rows, suppose this I also want 3, and fix column width auto. Here you can change it also, but if you, the default is auto, so I left is auto only. Click OK. As I click, my table is going to be inserted. Now as you insert your table, design tab is going to be appear. Here you are having some table layout, table design. So whatever design you want, select it from here. As you select, your table is converted according to that table style. Apart from this, you are getting here border style, shading also, border printer also, and here header row, table row, banded rows, first column, last column and banded columns. So likewise these all options also you can use. Suppose here I want to write some data. Suppose here serial number, this one is name, suppose this one is grade or marks. Suppose this is the data that I am having in first row, and I want these data should be presented middle of the cell. So how you can do this one? Select that all data cell and click on view tab, layout tab. As you click on layout tab, inside alignment you are getting these all options. Suppose you want middle center of the cell, to select this one. As you select, it was aligned like this, middle center. Next thing, if you want to increase the font size, so from here font style and font size both you can change. Suppose I want this 80, so I select 80. Suppose you want bold also, bold already bold. If you unbold, so like this. You can want italic, so like this italic. If you want underline, so underline also you can use. Now how to merge the cell? How to merge the cell? Suppose I want this one should be merged. So first I need to select all three. Right click, merge cell option is here. As you click on merge, that particular selected rows, columns are going to be merged. Suppose you want this one also to be merged. For this, what you need to do is select these two, click right click, merge. Next one thing, if you want to delete any cell or any column, any row, so for this delete rows, as you click, so that particular row is going to be deleted. Next, here delete cell. If you click on any cell and want to delete, so this dialog box will appear and it will ask you, confirm you which one you want to delete. Delete entire row, delete entire column, shift cell up, shift cell left. Suppose I want to delete entire row. As you click, the entire row is going to be deleted. Next thing, if you want to add, if you want to insert some rows and some columns, so for this, as you click, as you place your mouse, one plus symbol will appear. Click on this plus symbol. It will add the number of rows as many times you press on this plus symbol. If you want to insert column, the same step. What you need to do is here, as you get the plus symbol, click on it. It will insert the column also. If you want to increase and decrease the size, so as you place your mouse pointer, if you are getting this symbol, arrow symbol, what you need to do, you need to drag it wherever you want and the size is going to be shifted. So likewise for rows and column both, you can shift the size according to your need. Now suppose if you want to highlight any particular cell, so what you need to do is you need to select that particular cell. You need to select that particular cell and fill the color inside the background. Fill color inside background like this. Whatever color you want, you can use that color. And this you do by using this shading option. Okay. Next thing I want to tell you, if you are having some data like here I am having 12, here I am having 13 and total suppose you want here. So for this one more option we are having, you are able to apply the formula to get the total of these two cells, these two columns here. How? Click on layout tab, click on formula. Here already formula 10 is equals to sum left. That result is appearing on left side. As you click 12 plus 13, 25 you are getting here. So like this you can apply the formula also. Okay. Next thing that we need to discuss is, this is all about table, how to insert table, how to delete table. For deleting table, what you need to do is you need to click or select the entire table, delete table. As you click on delete table, the entire table is going to be deleted like this. Next thing, table cell, how to insert, how to set the margin, these all we have discussed. How to get the total sum, that also we have discussed. If you want to change the cell width, that also you can do. Addition also I told you. How to delete, that also we have discussed. Next thing is border and shading, how to insert border and shading of your table. Suppose for this table you want to insert border, to go to layout tab, design tab, and click on this border. As you select border, the border is appearing like this. If you want to increase the border width like this, you can increase the border width also. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also. See, like this. So you can apply table border also. If you want to increase the size of a column rows, so you can increase the size, decrease the size also, like this. Suppose you want to deal with text, you can split the table also. How to split the table? Suppose you want your table is little bit bigger and you want to split the table. So from here split table option is there. As you click on split table option, what will happen? Suppose here I click and split table. So my table is splitted from here. So like this you can split your table. Like this, insert above. If you want the same, inserted above, below, left, right, everywhere you can do these all customization, whatever you want according to your need. So this also you can use. Okay. Next thing that we have is merging and splitting cell and table. So merging also we have discussed. If suppose this you want to merge, select this one, right click, merge cell. So these all things are merged. Next thing that we need to discuss is splitting cell, that we have seen. Performing calculation in a table, that also I told you. Converting table to text, that option also we are having. Converting table to text, for this you need to click on layout tab. Convert table to text option is there. Layout tab already open, convert to table to text. So as you click here, paragraph or text, just see table is going to be disappear from there. So like this, that option also available. And converting text to table, this option also we are having. Converting text to table, insert table group, table. Now convert text to table option. For this, suppose this is your text, insert, convert text to table. As you click on OK. Now this option is converted in table. So this also you can do. Next option that we have is few assignment is also given here, using word art option. Word art option means we are having so many word art here. Suppose this you need to apply word art. For this, here we are having word art option. Now whatever word art you want to use from here, just select it. It was converted like this. So you can apply word art also. Whatever you select, it was applying like this on the page. So hopefully we have covered all the options in MS Word, and I think you will understood also. These all things are not very much tough. If you are doing regular practice, then easily you can get these all options Dear student, I provided question answers for all the chapters. You are requested to maintain your copy and write all the question answer in your copy. Till chapter number 11, all the question answers are provided on WhatsApp group. Go and see and try to write in your copy before unit test second. Hope you will understood this video and hope you will understood Microsoft Word also. Thank you.